how to show or hide the mods and routines notification content on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. And in here, tap on mods and routines, then tap on the more button. Next, tap on settings. Now we go down and then tap on notifications. After that, tap on show content. So tap on lock screen notifications to show content or hide content. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.